Best and worst designs, my top 4 picks. My first one for best is Yeti coolers. These coolers are great, hold ice for a very long time, and keep your beverages cold. I spent a whole weekend camping and used significantly less ice than traditional coolers. Disclaimer, however, make sure they are completely sealed tight or they won't work right. My second best is the Jeep 4.0 liter engine. This straight six engine will go and go. My family has had many Jeeps with this engine and they will not die. All the ones we've had well over 200,000 miles on them and can still keep going. It's a shame Jeep doesn't use them anymore. My worst picks would be pants with fake or small pockets. As someone who wears jeans often and also rarely carries a purse, I need pockets that can fit everything. Buying pants without realizing they don't have pockets or the pockets are really small is both annoying and useless. Lastly, my worst pick would be Connecticut highways. As a frequent commuter of Connecticut highways, nothing is more frustrating to me than some of Connecticut's highways, those including 84, 91, the Merritt, and 95. The list goes on. The unnecessary buildup of traffic that occurs is ridiculous sometimes. Something needs to change.